An injunction is a restraining order designed to provide a rapid means of protection for individuals. The petitioner, or the person seeking to get the protection, files an injunction against the respondent, the person threatening or committing the act of violence. For an injunction to succeed, the respondent has to pose a significant threat to the petitioner. For purposes of this video, we'll use a domestic violence injunction as our example. Your first step would be to fill out the proper paperwork. You can do this at your local county courthouse, or you can get the assistance of an attorney. Next, you submit your paperwork for a judge to review. After the judge reviews the petition, they may award you a temporary injunction, and that temporary injunction will stay in place until your final hearing. Third, the respondent is served. This is often the most dangerous time for the person seeking the injunction, as there may be retaliation from the person who is served. So do your best to stay safe. The last step is the final hearing. This is where evidence is heard and the judge will decide whether or not to grant you your restraining order. To win, the petitioner has to present the court with competent, substantial evidence. Here's what that may look like in a domestic violence injunction. Competent, substantial evidence can be text messages, voicemails, threatening emails, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, photographs of injuries or damage to property, and of course, you can call witnesses. The more direct, the better. Injunctions can be granted for various amounts of time. It can be a few months, a few years, or indefinitely. Going to court can be intimidating, however. Filing the paperwork and facing a judge can be tough. You can do all this on your own, but in my experience and in my opinion, you should go with an experienced attorney. We hope you found this video helpful. If you need to get an injunction or you are unjustly being accused of something and are facing an injunction, call us at 407 Fighter, or you can fill out the link below.